It's a scooter motorcycle. Hello, my little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful scooter motorcycle together. First of all, let's get our black color. That's right, black, so we can start drawing the scooter motorcycle. Let's start with the headlight and handlebars. Then we'll draw the body of the scooter motorcycle and the seat. Are we missing something? Oh, the tires! That's right. Now it's time to color our scooter. Take your pencil colors and color with me. Let's start with the headlight and color it yellow. That's right, yellow. That's right, yellow. And then we'll color the tail light red. That's right, red. And now, let's use brown for the seat. Yes, just like a leather. It's brown. Here, we'll use light gray to color some part of our scooter motorcycle. That's right, gray. Now, let's color the scooter motorcycle's tires. Yes, it's tires. We are going to use our dark gray. Now it's time for the scooter itself. We are going to have a colorful rainbow scooter motorcycle. So I think let's start with yellow. What do you think? I think yellow is perfect. For the next part, we'll use orange. Kids, what color should we use next? You tell me. What color? How about red? Great job! Red is our next color. What's next? Yes, pink. Pink is our next color. So, we've got yellow, orange, red, and pink. How about our next color? I don't know. Yes, how about light blue? Do you like light blue? It's the color of the sky. Wow, it's really beautiful. I think the next part will be dark blue. And our next color is purple. Amazing! We've got yellow, orange, red, pink, light blue, dark blue, and purple. Now, let's go for green and use our dark green color for the next part. And finally, we'll color the rest of our scooter motorcycle light green. That's right, light green. Wow, our scooter motorcycle is ready to go. And finally, let's add some shadows. What do you think? Ta-da! We did it! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye-bye.